We had a customer call with a question. They wanted to shorten their supply chain and make a part in North America which was currently being manufactured elsewhere. Here's the thing. The part is made from an extrusion. It is cut to length, has an oblong hole on one plane, and a round threaded hole in another. Typically that means a few seconds for the saw cut, more time to load the parts into a CNC machining center, several seconds for the oblong hole to be milled out, a few seconds for the round hole to be drilled, and then some more seconds for the tapping operation. Then the part has to be unloaded from the CNC. This all adds up. What is the cost of a minute of factory time in North America versus overseas? How could we compete? Our team was tasked with leveling the playing field. What can we do differently, non-traditionally even? Then we came to a conclusion. What if we took most of those seconds out of the process? Using our cross-functional design for manufacturability team, we came up with some ideas. What if we didn't saw the parts off the lineal extrusion? What if instead of machining that long slot, we punched it in? What if we punched the round hole and tapped it in the tool? What if we could take all those seconds, approaching a minute per piece, and eliminate them? What if we could take the total processing time down to about 2 seconds? Well, we did it. We incorporated our progressive die experience to remove most of the time from manufacturing the part. We punched the slot through the part. We punched the round hole in the adjacent plane, and then we tapped that hole using in-die tapping technology. We then shear the part off the lineal right to size. And with all those features finished, you can see the finished parts coming off the machine here, just a couple of seconds per part. Bottom line, made here, it is a less expensive part. By thinking outside the box, our team came up with a solution that not only leveled the playing field, it allowed our team to hit a home run. A win for us, a win for our customer, a win for everybody. The question now is, what can Team Talan do for you today?